alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Good afternoon, good evening to everyone. As I really appreciate you guys be there with me. If you are new to my channel, please consider to like, comment and subscribe, inshallah. For the returning subscribers, I really appreciate it, as you are so grateful for me. So today video I'm going to make some potatoes slice, as you see, because these are the ingredients I'm going to use it. Look, this I have hot dog slice, I have olive oil, I have tomato slice, I have corn fresh, I have potatoes slice, and I have pizza cheese, I have tomato paste, and organic leaves, I have salt and olive oil. Okay, so guys, stay with me, let us learn how to make potato slice, inshallah. Thank you. So I'm going to take my potatoes, since it is. Okay, I'm going to put here, never mind with my space. So this is my potatoes, I'm going to add here. Okay, I have time to cut slices, guys. Okay, so I'm going to do cut like this inside, you see, guys. Yeah. Not too much, just a little bit. So I'm going to add oil, going to lap some oil here. So after that, I'm going to put some small salt on the top. Some small salt in the top. Okay, then I'm going to mix, and I'm going to mix organic here with oil, small spoon. I mix it mix it. This is tomato paste. Okay, this is tomato paste. So after to finish to mix organic and oregano and tomato paste, so I need to add here in my slice potatoes. You see, guys, is a mixture for olive oil, 1 small spoon, with oregano and oregano leaves, so you know, I know guys, you know that, with and tomato paste. I think every one of us, you know, tomato paste. Okay, so after to lap all, I am going to add pizza cheese. Pizza cheese. Okay. Rub it very well. So you see, guys, what it looks like. Okay. So the next step I'm going to add, this on the top, some slices, okay, and the slices of haddock or hot dog, guys. Haddock is in Arabic language. Okay, never mind. Never mind with me, you have to learn all the both languages. This is haddock or hot dog. So guys, next is tomato. Tomato slice, fresh tomato slice. Okay. Fresh tomato. You see it? So I'm going to add corn fresh on the top. So guys, as you see, I'm going to add pizza cheese, pizza cheese on the top again. And now we have done like this. So I'm going to put in the oven like 30 minutes and everything will be, we done it guys. Look, how is it? Guys, you see, we're done in the oven. Does it look like? So guys, we have done it. Thank you very much for your time. If you like my recipe, please let me know. Leave your comment, like, comment, and subscribe, inshallah. As you see, we have done it. Our dinner is ready. So guys, I have done. Thank you for your time for watching my video. I really appreciate it. So let us meet next time, inshallah, for the next video. I love you all. Mwah, mwah. Masalama. Bye. May peace be upon him. Let me enjoy my recipe. Let me enjoy